Okay, you're welcome back. So right now, what we need is to add the start new block, so our chain. So what we'll do, we'll get this particular start new chain. So this is what we're going to get. So we copy that and then um, we'll put it here. Put it here. Oh, can go back after the port, after the default port. We'll put it there. So now, since we want for the mainnet, we want a new chain for the mainnet, we'll change here from false to true. False to true. Then we have to come down here. We'll come down here and then add this piece of code, um, this particular one here. I'm going to add this. So, so I add it at the bottom of this particular one. I add it here. So I add this two line of code. If start new chain, mine Genesis consensus proof of work limit. So we are going to add that. We add that. We add that particular one here. So we have to save. We have to save. And before we save, we'll remove this particular one here because we're going to create a new one. We remove this particular one from here. Put this. And this. And then these ones here are the nodes where you add the nodes. This particular one, so you add your nodes. This particular one, so you add your node. You can see that of Dash, the Dash creator, Dash Junior, from Dash Coin. He has the node running because he was part of the developer of one of the main developer of Bitcoin, but he left because he wanted a particular algorithm to be added to it, added to Bitcoin that the developer from Bitcoin did not accept his own proposal. So we remove it. Remove all this. Let's have our own. You can simply put an IP, an IP if you want to. You see what I'll do once I complete deleting. Just be following what I'm doing. Okay, let's leave this too. So we can have this. Let us say .com. And let's copy this. Okay. Then add here. And then we can put IP here. IP and online IP to run your nodes. You can do that also here. You can do that. Then this, okay. So in our next tutorial, we'll be showing you what more to do. Before we start, we'll delete this particular one here. Tell you more. Thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing to my channel.
Good. It's almost like I'm. No, no,